Welcome to the Use Tax eFile tutorial. If you are a Use Tax payer, this video is for you. In this short video, we will give you a few helpful hints, take you step by step through the eFile process, and explain how to fill out the electronic filing form. Please be advised that this filing is for Use Tax only. This video provides the basic information you will need. If at any time you need assistance or more information, please call 800-400-7115 during regular business hours. You can find more information about Use Tax and the filing requirements by going to this link on the Board of Equalization's webpage. There are two ways to log in to file your return. You can use the Express Login method and go straight to filing your return after entering your account number and Express Login code. Both the account number and Express Login code can be found on correspondence you receive from the Board of Equalization. If you cannot find these numbers, please call us at 800-400-7115. Or you can log in as an e-client. If you haven't already registered as an e-client, the process is quick and easy. E-clients create their own user ID and password. You can watch a video on registering as an e-client here. If you log in as an e-client, select the File Your Sales and Use Tax Return prepayment link to begin. On the next screen, enter your account number. Include numbers only and no dash. Then, click on the Continue button. Whether you logged in as an e-client or with the Express Login method, you will need to select the return you wish to file. On this page, you will see your name and account number. Under your name, you will see the returns that are available for you to file. Choose the return you wish to file from this list. You will then be taken to a page that states your declaration of intent to e-file. If you do not intend to e-file, click the Not Accept button to exit the application. Otherwise, read the information stated on the declaration and print it for your records if you so choose. If you understand and agree with the declaration, click the Accept button. Once you click on Accept, you will be taken to the return. Here are some helpful hints before you get started. While navigating through our eFile system, do not use your browser back button. Instead, use the navigation buttons on the bottom of each page. The question mark indicates that help is available. It does not indicate an error. If you are unsure what to enter on a particular line, click on the question mark. A new window will open to provide a detailed explanation. When you are finished reading the help screen, you will need to click on the X in the top right corner to close that window and go back to the previous screen. When entering your figures, enter whole dollar amounts only, rounding to the nearest dollar. Make sure not to use any punctuation, such as commas or decimal points. Continuing on this page, you will see two boxes to the right of purchases subject to use tax. The two time frames are separated because on April 1st, 2009, the tax rate changed. Fill in the amount of your transactions prior to April 1st, 2009 in the first box, and the amount of your transactions on or after April 1st, 2009 in the second box. The total will be automatically calculated for you. Most filers do not have exemptions, but you may click on the Exemptions button to see if any apply to you. Next, we will enter district tax. If your tax rate did not change within the filing period, the district tax box may have been pre-filled based on your business address. If you need to make changes, review the information, or enter your district tax, please click on the District Tax button. When you click on the District Tax button, you will be taken to this screen. The amount on which local tax applies is displayed here. Enter any transactions that are not in a district tax area. In other words, enter any transactions where the total tax was not greater than the statewide rate as noted on the top of the page. The remaining amount needs to be allocated to the appropriate county and city in the table below. This table is in alphabetical order by county, with the cities listed below their county. Enter the total purchase figures for each county or city in the first column. The tax for that area will be automatically calculated. Only enter information in the Adjustments column if you need to reallocate taxes from previous periods. Below the table, the total amount of purchases you entered is calculated and displayed next to the field called Amount Allocated to District Tax Areas above. This total needs to match the amount on the line directly below labeled Amount of District Transactions that must be allocated. These two amounts must equal each other before you can successfully e-file your return. Your total district tax has been calculated for you and displays on the last line. Once your figures balance, please click Continue to return to the main page. If you paid any sales or use tax to other states on purchases that are otherwise subject to California use tax, enter that amount here. Again, click the question mark if you need additional help. Your tax due has been calculated for you. Once all your figures are entered, click Continue to go to a review page. Please look at this page carefully. If everything looks correct, click Continue. If you need to correct any information, click the Prior Page button at the bottom of this page to go back to the main page of the return. Do not use your Internet Browser Back button. This will cause you to lose the data you have entered. Now you will enter the preparer information. As the person who prepared the return, enter your information here. You must complete one section or the other, but not both. If you owe tax, you will enter your payment information here. 3 convenient payment methods are available. Selecting e-check allows you to pay electronically for free. Simply enter your banking information and select your payment date. You can select to make your payment on any date up to the due date of the return. e-check makes your entire transaction paperless and worry-free. You may also pay by credit card. If you select to pay by credit card, you will be directed to our credit card processor to make your credit card payment. The processor charges a 2.5% convenience fee. This is not revenue to the Board of Equalization. Finally, you can pay by paper check. At the end of the filing process, a payment voucher will print along with the confirmation page. Send in the voucher with your paper check to the address on the payment voucher. Once you have completed your payment information, click Continue to go to a payment summary page. Review the information for accuracy and click File Return at the bottom of the page. You are finished. You have now successfully completed filing your return with the California State Board of Equalization. If you have a minute, we would appreciate your taking the eFile survey to let us know what you think of this e-filing process. Print this confirmation page by clicking on the printer icon. This confirmation page is for your records. If you selected to pay by paper check, remember to send in your check with the payment voucher that prints immediately following the confirmation page. Thanks for viewing this training video. You are now ready to e-file your tax return with BOE File, the Board of Equalization's free e-filing system.